So as this talk was sort of prompted by the rollout of the Mounjaro, and this is a template of a conversation that you might be having with people if you identify them as someone who would benefit from starting the Tirzepatide or the Mounjaro. So as we said, first we want to engage, we want to establish rapport and ask permission to talk about weight and health goals. Would you be open to discussing your goals for your weight and overall health? Then we want to explore the values and the goals. Or if Tirzepatide could help you reach your goals, would that be something that you'd consider? So we might ask, what have you heard or read about the Tirzepatide or the Mounjaro? So we might say something like, the trials have shown that adding Tirzepatide is more effective than diet and exercise alone at reducing body weight. We also want to explore the concerns or any potential barriers. We could say something like, it's natural to have mixed feelings about something like this. And at the end, that's the time to develop a plan. So we want to make sure that people know that it's okay to come back to us if they would like to explore it at a later date, but also discuss the alternative options. So as excited as everyone is about these medications, that's not the only thing that we have available.